Oh. Hello. Hope you don't recognize me. Hello, I'm Aeon. I'm one of the counselors here at Peace Camp. Welcome to Nature Wellness Studio. And how about we go on a nature walk together? Sounds fun? Cool. I'm gonna grab you all along with me. Okay. Now this first thing, especially during the summertime, you know, all the green is out, trees are thriving, animals are coming out. Few safety things. If you are coming outside and you see a lot of green, right? Mosquitoes are dangerous because they carry diseases, and those diseases can make you sick. So, wearing long clothing over your arms and legs and wearing your mask may protect you, but they can still bite through it. So I recommend you get some bug spray. This one is eucalyptus and lemon grass. They hate that smell, so they repel from it. And another thing before we kind of get to it, if your area has animals, whether that's deer or foxes, bunnies, don't go near them. You can observe from a distance. That's the cool thing. Like, you can watch them and observe them, but don't go chase them or anything. I know it's tempting, I guess, to go really close, try to take a picture, but trust me, just looking is good enough. But if you want to take a picture, make sure you stay at a safe distance, though. Last thing, plants. You don't know what's poisonous and what isn't. But I don't know if you know this, but rules of 3, let it be, poison ivy. There are a lot of species of those things. So I recommend you be careful. So I don't want you to get a rash or anything. With that out the way, let's get exploring. Right now we're here at my park. I come here sometimes. It's fun to be at. A lot of leaves. It was windy earlier today. So we're just gonna sit together and kind of reminisce about the importance of being out in nature. Whew. And why you want to be out in the first place, you know? So I like being out in nature because it's calming and you kind of get the chance to kind of find like your cool spot or, you know, happy place. If I'm lucky, I get to scope out some animals. So if you have a area, like a local park, kind of go outside and see what you see, or just sit and listen. It's the greatest thing, in my opinion. Or you can do little silly things like, I found a leaf earlier, and I'm sure a lot of us did this in some point in our lives. I did this. So there's a leaf underneath this page, and you could use pencil and it will show you the outline and inside of the leaf. Kind of see closely, there's like the veins here. I'm just really distracted by just endless beauty that's out here. Oh, another thing. All the way out there is where a family of deers live. I don't see them very often though, but they do come out unexpectedly. So I encourage you to just go outside, whether maybe you see some trees or little. Just head out and just look and explore. See what you maybe there's like bugs that you never seen before. I don't know how people feel about bugs, but the thing about me, I like bugs. So, or maybe you might see some wildflowers. Buttercups. Buttercups are yellow. Small yellow petals with like 3 little prongs inside. They're pretty small. Well, I encourage you all to be curious and explore your local park. See what's out there. And have fun. That is the most important thing. Having fun. So if you excuse me, I'm gonna go meditate. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have any requests for me, I'm all ears. Be brave and explore. See you all next week.